This is so hard, dude. This is so hard. This is so fucking hard. At what point this is RNG carried? Like, how much RNG do you need to win this realistically? Holy shit, dude, what was that? No, what is this? What? Huh? I better not lose this. Like, I better not lose this. If I lose this, I'm gay. Which is not a bad thing, but you know, I prefer to not be because women are like prettier. If this ends up to be the winner, right? I don't know what to do. YouTube, I wasn't being serious, okay? I am just stupid. It's okay. Like, don't remove this video, please. I want this. I want to win. I want the video to be on YouTube. I didn't say anything wrong, okay? I mean, in game. I said it in game. I mean, it is bad to like prefer to be something just because you want to be something else. Mommy, I want to be a policeman. So that means you don't want to be a firefighter? I guess. That's so bad. No, that's not how it works. Okay, YouTube, so leave me alone, please. Okay, what the fuck is this? I'm getting RNG carry, what? I don't need this, I'm a good player, bruh. I don't need my RNG skills right now. Stop. Okay, when you... Fuck this, I don't want this to be the verification.